A very good afternoon to one and all. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to prioritize your work. At office, generally, we all get to work on multiple assignments and we have a deadline to submit them. Just in case we need to submit multiple things at the same time, how do we prioritize which one to submit first? So this is something that you will be asked when the role requires you to work on multiple tasks, and multitasking is one of the important skill mentioned in the job description. So if you look at this quadrant diagram which is mentioned on my screen, you are classifying the tasks on the basis of two parameters. One is on the basis of their urgency. Number two, the basis of their importance. In case there is a work or a task that needs to be completed and it is important but not urgent, it will fall in the first quadrant. An example for this: I need to get my daughter from her school every day at 5:30 p.m. I have time till end of the day. It is an important task to bring her home safe. Important and urgent. I get a mail from my boss requesting for some data, and if I don't submit the data in the next 1 hour, there is a revenue loss. Somebody is going to penalize us. So obviously it is important, it is urgent, I hardly have any time and I have to do it myself. Not urgent, not important. I need to get the groceries from the vegetable market. I do have sufficient stock for the next 2 days. So this can be postponed for tomorrow or maybe done at a later point of time. So either you can delete it from today's to-do task or you postpone it. Urgent but not important. There might be another request coming from somebody in my team requesting for some reports on an urgent basis. But since that is not an important task for me, I can delegate it to my subordinates and tell them, please complete it and share it within this timeline. So the report is done, it is shared, and we are meeting our deadlines in all 4 cases. So this is how these quadrants will help you. Now, you might come across to me stating, how do I know which one falls in which quadrant? So I need to know which task to keep in which quadrant. If it is 4 tasks, you easily said. But if I have some 20, 30 tasks, how do I do it? It has more to do with psychology. Trust me, if you have gone through the videos of Steve Jobs, which is available on the internet, he made a statement that every day he wakes up with a thought. What if today is going to be the last day of my life? And when he thinks like this, everything falls away or apart from each other, leaving what is truly important. And you need to classify the truly important data in this second quadrant, which is important and urgent. If today is going to be the last day of your life, what are the things that you would do? Put them in the second quadrant, ensure they are completed, do it now. And if you're talking about some tasks which are important but you have time, do it later. This falls in the first quadrant. If you have something to do immediately but not that important, delegate it to your subordinates. And if there is something which is not urgent, not important, postpone it to the last possible activity or maybe delete it and put it in your to-do list for the next day or day after tomorrow. So this way you can manage your things in a much, much organized and better way, and prioritization of work will help you to become a successful person in life. I hope I'm very clear and hope you enjoyed my session. Have a nice day.